Hi, this is Gina at Notions, and I am here with Kathleen from Betty Crocker. Oh my gosh, and we had the sweetest demonstration this morning. So Kathleen, tell me about Betty Crocker products.
So Betty Crocker is a well-known brand for baking as well as decorating. So what you see here today are all Betty Crocker products, and Betty Crocker tries to make decorating very easy so that the process is very simple, almost goof-proof, and that the outcomes almost look like an expert. So everything you're seeing here is done by beginner and moderate decorators, and that is the majority of folks who are decorating. There's very few that are professional or skilled decorators. So from a cake perspective, that flour was made with a pattern that was transferred onto the cake using edible clear icing, and that was decorated very quickly. The gems that go around the cake are made with candy gems. They are made with real cocoa, and we call gem it's assembly, so you don't need any skill to make a beautiful gem border. And then the cupcakes were decorated with Betty Crocker cupcake icing. It comes in a can with a tip that creates these lovely decorations, and then you can sprinkle on pink decorations as well as iridescent. And then the cookies were made with Betty Crocker cookie icing. Again, all the colors are coordinating so you get an expert look right off the bat. And the sprinkles are again, very simple sequins, like a nice flower design. We have sugar sprinkles and some white jimmies on the middle cookie. So a wide range of products. And this particular item we would say is pretty in pink, and it's coordinating for all those holidays that are spring or a girl's birthday or Mother's Day, and this is part of our color system. So then the next cake you're seeing is a beautiful double layer cake with a acrylic that almost looks like crystal candelabra, and again it's sold by Betty Crocker, and the candles are Betty Crocker as well, which match the lovely sprinkles. Simple, right? It's not even highly decorated, and this candelabra is two pieces that you just click together, and it has a stake at the bottom that you just poke into the cake, and it holds it so lovely, right? Very dramatic. Beginner could pull this off, and it looks like an expert.
What a great way to make it just an elegant looking cake.
Very elegant. The next area, this would be what we would call our primary color system. So it's red, green, and blue. And again, we're using gems to decorate the cake. No skill required, all assembly. The banner is a Betty Crocker banner. Just poke it in, and it says happy birthday. One of the most difficult things for a decorator to do is to write happy birthday. So we're trying to make it really lovely and professional. And again, all the cupcakes were decorated with Betty Crocker cupcake frosting, and the sprinkles are coordinating with the gems and the banner. So everything looks very expert-like. And then the next area is our blue and green system. And so this again was a cake pattern. It's a pirate for a boy's birthday. Easy gems across. Again, you can see how everything is matching or coordinating to pull off a very expert look. And we would say a beginner decorator could absolutely get this done and look really, really nice. Almost goof-proof.
And this morning we decorated a cookie. And
we did.
It was so simple that I could do it, but I'm not going to demonstrate it. Our special guest Liz is going to come in and demonstrate how using the cookie icing in the flood technique, how easy it can be. Simple. So just making a little spiral. And the cookie icing is a little bit thinner than your typical cake icing, and that is so that it will flood and leave a beautiful, smooth texture. And Kathleen, how long does it take for the cookie to dry?
That's a great question. So the cookie will set up in about 30 minutes and then dry in 3 to 4 hours, where then you can stack it. And you want to make sure to put your sprinkles or your other decorations on when it's still wet, so that they are part of the cookie icing as it hardens.
Look at that.
Simple. And a really beautiful, vibrant green color, right?
Yep.
Gorgeous.
We asked, we're not sure if there ever was a real Betty Crocker, but if she was, her inspiration is here on all of the products that we'll be offering to you and the bakers out there. I decorated a cookie, and I would show it to them, but I really made it. So thanks a lot for watching. Look for the Betty Crocker products, and thank you very much, Kathleen.
Thank you.